If you want to learn Blender and 3D modeling from the very basic, then this course is exactly what you need. We will start from zero, so no prior experience is needed to take this course. The curriculum in this course is carefully designed to help you learn Blender and 3D modeling quickly and easily. After completing this course, inshallah, you should feel very familiar with Blender as if you have known the software since forever. You will have the skill to model 3D objects such as these objects. In this course, you will model this snowman character, a simple side table, then a dining table, a window, a door with a knob, a classic style arch, a bowl, a vase, and finally, you will model this modern nightstand from a real-world product reference. Assalamualaikum, my name is Widi Mutakin, founder of Expo Studio. For more than 20 years, I have created thousands of 3D renderings like this for architectural, interior, and master plan projects. I have worked with many clients all over the world. I have clients on almost every continent in the world. Besides doing projects, I also teach 3D and computer graphics academically in several different schools since the year 2000. In short, I have real-world professional expertise in 3D and experience in teaching. So join now and take your first step into the world of 3D with Blender. Have fun learning. Wassalamualaikum.